How to like notes on Instagram. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your App Store or the Play Store. In the search bar, search for Instagram. Move into this app. Right here, instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date. And because of this, the liking notes feature might not be available to you. So, first of all you want to do is tap on update and update your application to the latest version. Wait for a while for it to complete. Once the application is up to date, all you want to do is tap on open. Enter your login credential and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Once you are in here, swipe left and head over to your chat section. At the very top, you will see all the notes that has been added by people. Right above their notes, you should see the liking the notes option. All you want to do is click on it. Once you do that, the notes will be liked by you, and then you'll be good to go. But if you are still not getting this feature, then what you want to do is simply head over to the help center and then report the problem. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can like notes on Instagram. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.